Alright, so we're here. We're going to enter Columbia City Fitness. We just ran into Cascade. What's up? His friend Adam.
Yeah.
Let's go see if Andrew's in there. Oh, Lorenzo. What's up? What's up, Lorenzo? What you doing, bro? Long time no see you, bro. Good thing to see you, man. Yeah, I know, bro. Where's your brother at? What's up, man? Hey, Mick, how's it going? How you guys doing? Good to see you. What's up? Yeah. What's up, Bull? Good to see you, man. How's things? Right on?
Pretty good, man.
Thanks for letting us come in.
I know him, man.
Yeah, Tyler. Right on. So this is Tyler and Jordan.
Okay.
And Adam. They just drove up from Corvallis, Oregon.
Corvallis, man. You from Stoneman Ground, huh? How you doing, man?
Got a couple more guys coming.
Hey, just got a Saturday name, so you don't have to spit it out.
So, hey, can you hold this T?
I remember he was about 20, 21, man.
Yeah, a long time ago, man.
He's out of shape. Seriously, man. Seriously, I ain't worked out. Just the color. I ain't worked out this year, man. Mick can tell you, man. I ain't worked out. I just started working out last Tuesday, man.
First time this year.
First time this year.
That's what he said.
I'm serious. I believe with it, man. I got bites a lot, but that's about it, though. But good, man. We're back, man. Good to see you. Good.
Hey, I got a little treat here. Keep it rolling,
Awesome, man.
So we got a little animal pack goodie bag here. And then for those of you that don't know Bull, he loves the color red.
That's what I'm talking about.
He loves the color red. So we're hooking him up with a little red animal iconic tee.
Awesome, man.
Hopefully he still fits the 2X.
Awesome. Alright. Should have been extra small, but it's okay.
Because he's CrossFitting now. I know we got a can of animal pack for him.
Thank you.
It's like a multivitamin. It's on the one seller.
Awesome. Get your
It's 11 pills in one
Martin
serving.
came out yesterday.
Really? Nice.
Martin Mimmy, you don't work out, bro.
Awesome.
Awesome, man. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, cool, bro.
Y'all have a fantastic workout. I'm gonna be watching, taking notes, man. That's for sure.
Yeah, that's why I came.
Yeah,
Alright, so we're gonna go check out Bull's gym there. We see Mick and Rick over here. Hey, Bull, why don't you give us a little quick tour?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is where the guys and women throw down, man.
Oh, nice.
You know, Mark don't in it because the women in there. That's why. Come on, Mark. Tighten up, Mark. Tighten up.
Nice. Awesome.
I remember Miss Green. That's funny, man. She worked for her dad to teach our class.
Nice.
Told me she was Filipino. No, you're a sister. You ain't Filipino.
Right on. Little Nate Robinson. Local boy, Rainier Beach.
I have Rodney jersey that they can tell where you get carried. That's a lot. I have put Rod up.
Right on.
This is Rick wife here.
How you doing, man? Good to meet you. Sorry to interrupt your workout.
Way back, sir.
Nice to meet you.
That workout.
Right on. Oh, this is nice, man.
You see it, it's lit, man. I told you having some humongous strong guys coming.
Nice. Awesome, man.
He's about 55? Yeah. From Arkansas, he got pretty good.
Right on.
This right here's the women's
Locker rooms.
In the back area here, this kind of a small power room.
Little power room, man. Nice. Yeah, I got one for you in the car.
That's what I'm talking about. We don't call it anything, we just put it in the bag, discount.
Oh, right there.
Yeah, oh, we got a top man. We got a top
I brought my little big shot.
And then we also got cage here. We got this area here where people do power room. What we're gonna expand this here. I was telling him earlier, we have 5,000 square feet back through the owner there, the bookstore. We actually got access to all of that. So maybe in a couple of months, we're gonna expand it out, bring the cardio back, and probably make this room 3 times bigger.
Nice.
Hard to train in a small room, you know?
Yeah.
We got the heavy duty leg push back here. We train a lot of high school athletes. We got the jumping machine here.
Oh.
The jump machine.
Oh yeah, Vertimax. Nice.
You can use that to come in here.
Nice.
We got this cage back here. We kind of use it if you want to come back here and do it rack pool or whatever. We got upstairs too, man, kind of small.
Hey Zach.
Yeah.
This is Bull.
How you doing, Zach?
This is Zach Nims. Bull Stewart. Yeah.
Your friend of Grant, your friend of mine.
Yeah. And then you'll like this guy right here, Bull, because he's a deadlift boy. Ben Rice, yeah. Yeah, that's Fletcher.
Fletcher, what's up, Fletcher?
They drove from Mellonsburg.
Mellonsburg, okay.
Yeah, what's up, bro? How you doing?
Where the lifters at?
I brought mine too.
Huh?
You brought mine, I brought yours.
I just want to make sure.
I know, gotta have a foam roller.
Good, good.
Ooh. This is
Those don't count, Brandon.
Yoga Master. Yoga. So Zach, you're feeling pretty yellow today. Was it the yellow interior that made you dress this way?
I need to be able to grow a full mustache. I can't grow a mustache yet. He was trying really hard on the car ride over. He was like, he just wasn't going. Wasn't going. It's a sad day.
Alright.
His body stopped focusing on his belly hair and started, you know.
I mean, I know you're a Tahoma Bear alumni, dude, but this is kind of coincidental.
I was wearing a shirt today, but I decided to go with 70s retro porn. So that's my shirt.
Nice.
I don't like the view back there. Come on over here. Don't hate. Don't hate. Oh yeah.
Let's go, Higa.
I was so unhappy in the last meet.
Oh yeah, that was awesome. Don't do that.
Come on, Grant.
Nice.
Good job, Jordan.
How you gonna give me my starting weight?
How long did it take you to drive up from Corvallis?
My wife and I came up last night, like 5 hours.
Awesome.
Not bad.
That's good, man. Glad you guys are here.
Stopped once for a meal.
Nice, nice.
Feed the dog. She's here. Maybe I'll bring her next time.
Right on, cool.
I gotta get her like a cute baby doll animal shirt. We have enough bro love.
Let's go, Adam. Come on.
We got enough bro love. This isn't weird, you know?
Come on, bud.
Let's go, bud.
Heels down. Let's go. Chest up. Abs tight. Come on, bud.
Good, good.
Come on, Adam.
Let's go, let's go. Push, push.
There you go. on, Kristen. Nice and solid. Come on, KB. Chest up. Chest up. Come on, Kristen. Chest up. Fire the hole. Chest up. Chest up. Good. Nice job. There, girl. Perfect. I gotta record this because you got glasses now. You're truly a master's lifter. I just saw that. I was like, oh, he got glasses.
Man, I gotta have read, man.
Oh. All right, so we're here with Bull, and I just wanted to tell everybody I first met Bull when I was living in Oregon. I was competing in a USA Peony in Medford, Oregon, and then I found out he was coming to guest lift and stuff to do a deadlift and stuff. How much you pulled that day?
Yeah, I don't know how big. It's been a long time. I don't know how much that was.
This is like,
I don't know. I know I was repping out. I don't know what it was.
It was a sick amount of weight though. How much you deadlift in 342 pounds?
Better than like pull an 837. In Pakistan they pull an 826, 830. Cruising.
242, man. It's pretty sick.
Yeah, love it, man.
But I met Bull, and he was telling me he was working at this gym in Seattle, and just said, hey, you know, if you ever want to come and do like some personal training or get to the gym field, come on up. So came up, took a chance from moving from Oregon, and actually stayed with him a couple nights too, and he would take me to the gym, and I would just like shadow him and work front desk at the old Gateway Athletic Club, and then here it is. Where we are today. Now he's a gym owner.
He's a man.
You know, I was just trying to squat heavy that day, and then just got to meet this guy.
He's amazing. You know, the thing about Grant too, when I first met him, I know he had the focus, had the genetic strength to be great. And I actually seen him doing this because Grant was very determined. He analyzed things very well, and he had good people and a good heart. When you got a good heart and have the ability to get strong, you put the effort and energy into the training. I mean, the sky was limited, and look at it now, man. I'm so proud of it. I tell people when I talk to people, hey, you know, Grant, yeah, I actually trained him up. So it's really good to see him being successful today. And it's just an honor just to be in his present day.
Yeah, same to you, man. I mean, this is, last time I was in his old gym was 5 years ago.
5 years ago.
This is my first time in the new gym. This is nice, so I appreciate you.
Want me to come back soon, man? Thank you, man.
I definitely will be back.
Awesome training team, man. I love to see the energy. Y'all brought some energy back in the gym. That encouraged me to get better.
He's okay. He's alright. He's a little skinny, but.
What are you talking about, big boy?
I mean, he's alright.
Awesome. Y'all great bunch of guys, man. And I know a lot of you by faces too. Yeah, I got you, my man. You're right here, man.
You still in the police station? In the post office, most wanted.
That's good with y'all.
So to end the workout, Tyler here has got his awesome ghetto.
It's official.
Ghetto shaker here. Get him some scoops of torrent. Didn't I give you a shaker at one point?
Yeah, I left it in my car. So this is glass. It doesn't go bad.
Ghetto shaker.
Yeah.
Dude, I need to go out and buy some Adams.
What is it? Adams
Peanut butter.
In the hizzy.
I go through like one of these a week.
Oh man, dude.
New shakers every week.
Nice.